In a sea of nothingness, in a crypto market where pretty much nothing is moving, there is one shining star, one meme coin on Solana. Popcat is doing pretty well. Let's have a look at how much further this rally can last. Let's have a look at on-chain data most people aren't considering, because this is how we can get an edge in the market, right? We look at data, we identify information that most people don't have. Now today we are up 15% roughly, we are at 42 cents. This week we are up by almost 270%, and since listing on CoinMarketCap a few days before Christmas, we went up by 2,500% roughly. Now, why is Popcat so interesting? The positive momentum, of course, is interesting, but in general, tokens on Solana seem to be doing somewhat okay. Have a look at the total value locked development today. Solana is leading the pack. Within this week, it's at number 2. There might also be some opportunities on the Binance Smart Chain. So we've got 3 interesting chains: the Binance Smart Chain, Solana, and the Base chain. I am talking about interesting opportunities on Base regularly on this channel as well. Now, this is not the first time I talk about Popcat on this channel. The first video was when Popcat was still at 3 cents. So that video was published 3 months ago on the 20th of January. Again, now we are at 43 cents. So if this is your first time looking at Popcat, maybe you should be following channels like this. I publish videos regularly. Now let's have a look at comparables. Let's have a look at market caps of other meme coins on Solana, for example, to see how much higher could Popcat potentially go. When we look at all cryptocurrencies and their market caps, Popcat is currently at rank 202. It's got a market cap of 405 million. And when we scroll up a little bit, we can see how much more upside there is. Dog with Head, the largest meme coin on Solana, has 3.4 billion. So if Popcat was to become the largest meme coin on Solana, it would do, at least relatively speaking, an 8.5x. In other words, the absolute upper ceiling. Of course, if the crypto market as a whole doesn't move much, the upper ceiling is $3.57. All of the supply is already circulating, so there is no problem with token inflation. Now here's the nice thing about Popcat. Most of the trading still happens in a decentralized manner, so on Orca and on Radium. That means we can look at the individual transactions directly on chain. Have a look at this chart. This shows the number of new traders versus recurring traders for each and every day. And when we suddenly see a strong wave of new first-time traders, like here on the 22nd of April, then subsequently we tend to see quite a bit of a rally, right? So this was another 30% increase. However, when the number of recurring traders is exceeding the number of first-time traders, like here on the 12th of April, then subsequently we do not see the best price action. So this tool is super useful. It's available for the premium members. You can plug in any Solana token into this tool, and you can look at the number of first-time traders versus recurring traders. Now, who's actually buying recently? Have a look at this. This is the daily trading volume based on cohort. So whales are the large players, dolphins are the smaller wallets, and we can see that breakdown changing over time. And let's just have a look at the whales. The whales traded Popcat massively starting on the 21st of April. The small holders, however, they did not trade so much. So this is a whale-driven rally. It's again the smart money that's buying early, because this is, I believe, how crypto in general works, right? Crypto is a game of both luck and skill, and the more you play the game, the less the luck component is important, the more the skill component becomes important. So over time, money flows from the not so skilled to the more skilled people. So the whales tend to, on average, make the better calls. So when we see the whales buying here, when we see the whales pushing up the price, that's a very positive sign. I don't dare to predict where the price will go, but so far things look pretty good. There might also be another catalyst when more centralized exchanges list the token. Right now, MEXC is the main centralized exchange to buy this, but still most activity still happens on-chain, which is a good thing. Maybe the whales know something about an upcoming listing that we don't. Again, if you want to be early next time, feel free to subscribe. I publish here regularly. A like would be very much appreciated as well. It helps the channel grow. If you're interested in tools like this, then feel free to check out the premium membership. This is also where I personally share my trades. If your crypto portfolio doesn't yet justify premium, there's also a free Telegram. Link as well is down below.